Guangzhou Chenyi Food Company Limited, established in 2011, specializes in selling food seasonings. Its factory Baiwei Food, Guangzhou Company Limited, specializes in the research and development, production and manufacture of various seasonings. The company adheres to the consistent attitude of healthy, delicious, fast, and the business philosophy of win-win cooperation and altruistic spirit, and serves a large number of high-quality customer groups such as catering chain headquarters, prefabricated vegetable factories, central kitchens, group meal enterprises, food processing enterprises, e-commerce companies and national distributors. Mr. Ma Wenian, the founder of the company, and his executives have a professional background in food and have been in the food seasoning industry for decades. The company has a professional R&D, production management and quality management team. From research and development, raw material procurement to production control, we all follow the principle of quality first to provide specific customers with customized R&D seasoning technology solutions. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to meet your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our mission, with China's leading seasoning technology, use science and technology to help standardize Chinese food seasoning and make Chinese cuisine happy all over the world. Our vision, to become an enterprise with both physical and mental happiness for all employees. To become a benchmark enterprise for composite seasoning technology in China. Our values: integrity, responsibility, growth, standardization, innovation, safety.